In this video, I am going to show you how to export CSV from Apple numbers on Mac. So let's see how we can do this thing. This is on sample table. This is called student scores, and there are a couple of columns are there which are like test score for these students. I want to export this data as CSV. So let's see what is the easiest and quick way we can export it. So once we have the data ready or table ready, then we just need to click file. It will be open like this type of menu. From here we have to find export to, and we have to move our cursor over there, and it will be expanded again, and it will give us couple of options. We have to choose CSV because our target is to export a CSV file. So I'm going to click here, and very shortly the export window will be appeared. Here there is couple of options are there. One is include table names. So if you see here, there is a table name is student scores. So for that CSV file, if you want the student score table name, you can check this thing. Otherwise you can ignore it. For my case, I am not interested about the table name, so I'm going to uncheck this thing, so the table name will not be saved. So there is another option which is called advanced options, and here we see text encoding. If you click here, it will bring you a list of like text encoding format. You have to choose your own format. I'm going to use UTF-8. This is the default format, and most of the like file processor it can support, like Word, not only Word, Excel, then Google Sheet, everything basically it can read very easily. Even the Python program also it can read. Now once we figure out that text encoding option and uncheck this option, then it's time to save this file. There is a save button. I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will bring this window, and here we need to go to the location where we want to save. I'm going to save this location, this file, and I have to type the file name. Suppose the file name is score, so I'm going to type score, and then finally we have to click this export button to export the data as CSV file. So I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will be saved. Now let's open that folder. So this is the location where I saved the file. This is number folder, and this is the file score.csv, and if you check the time, it just saved now 8:20 and 8:21. Now let's open it to check whether data saved properly or not. I'm going to right click, and then it will bring this menu. From here I'm going to choose on application like text edit application to open or read that text, and if we increase the size of this text, we'll see that it saved everything. That means it is able to export all data from Apple numbers to text file as CSV file like that. And here we see every data, it is exported properly. And that's it. In this way we can easily export CSV file from Apple numbers.